Welcome. In this video, I'm going to take you through step by step how to set up and use DALL-E AI Realistic Image Generator. And in case you are new to this channel, I am Solomon Foskaay, founder of AiHiPUniversity, which is a platform where I intend to encourage developers to embrace AI early before it pushes them out of their job. So, and two, I release courses that help you become an AI developer. You build things relating to UI, to AI, and a lot more. And most of these are plain free courses. So if you are interested in that, to 10x your developer skill, 10x your productivity as a developer by embracing AI, then this is the channel for you. Subscribe, tap the notification bell, and head straight to our website where you can have access to free courses. I just released a course about how to build ChatGPT clone AI chatbot, and it's completely free, so you can check it out on the site. So the link is in the description. Now back to the focus of today's video, which is how do you set up and start using DALL-E. Sorry for the pronunciation, but we'll first learn about what is DALL-E itself. Then two, we'll learn about what can you use it for. Then three, we'll now discuss about how do you set it up and start using it, especially as developer, because this channel focuses more on developer, but videos like this can still be useful for you even if you are not a developer, because images cut across different professions and niches. So it's not just for developer, but as developer, you usually need images, to spice up your UI, to do a lot of things if you own YouTube or you're helping a client and things like that. So how do you now create these realistic images without breaking banks with your budget and things like that? That's what this DALL-E will help with. So first, DALL-E is described as a new AI system that can create realistic images and art from a description in natural language. So what that means is that if you want to create an image, for example, if usually you want to create an image for your project, you will first start by describing it to your graphics designer that, okay, I need an image, I want to use it to develop this chatbot app, so that I want it to be able to maybe move or have this kind of shadow. You understand? So the way you describe it is using your own natural language, whatever the language may be it English or non-English, and then your designer will pick from that, use it, follow it while they apply their own professional graphic designing skill. The same thing is what this DALL-E AI does. You can express yourself, okay, can you build me this image with this and this and that, and then it will follow those steps to generate those images for you. Now, how do you set it up? How do you use it? I will take you through step by step. The first thing you need to do is to go to openai.com/DALL-E, maybe 2. I don't know, by the time you'll be watching, it could be DALL-E 3 or 4 or 5 or 10, but whichever you go through. I may also add the link in the description. In case I forget, ask in our Discord. So head straight to the Discord. That's where I give 24/7 support to developers on AI and even non-developers, as long as we have content like this done already on it. Now, once you get to the site, you want to scroll to locate sign up. Like I told you, this design are not like static, so things might have changed, but a lot of times buttons like this don't change. You always see register, sign up, login. So just locate where it is on the site and click on sign up. If we sign up here, this is where it will bring us create your account. So usually, because this is by OpenAI, the same platform that launched ChatGPT. So that means the same account works for them. That's what makes it so okay and easy to use. So what happens is that if you have watched like a video on how to set up a ChatGPT account, or you already have a ChatGPT account, then you don't need to set it up again. Just go to login. But if you have never used any of OpenAI before, like ChatGPT, the DALL-E, and some other ones, then it means you might not have account yet. So you need to go to the login. You need to put in your email, or just continue with Microsoft account if you have it. Or if you have your Gmail login, just continue with Google, and that makes things even much easier. Now, so in our case now, we've already have an account with ChatGPT and also set up accounts for developer to use the API. So let's click login. So you see it says login. You can log in if you use email. But previously we used our demo email account here to set it up. So we just click continue. And since the email account is logged in the browser already. Welcome to DALL-E. Meet your creative copilot. Create and iterate with DALL-E to generate images from a description in natural language. Easily make realistic targeted edits to images. Create different variations of images. So these are additional features that you want to know. I've talked about the number one. The number two means you can pick an image, try to upload it, and tell it to make some adjustments and regenerate another version for you. Then the third one, you can create different variation of an image inspired by the original. You understand? So if, for example, it generates an image for you now, you can just click to generate variation of specific one. So from that single generated image, you can now recreate another 4, 5 or more images that would be similar and have the same thing. So these things will be useful for when creating things like NFT and a lot other images that you want them to have similar traits, but still some unique things that differentiate them from each other. Now let's continue. You get 50 free credit during your first month, and 15 free credit will refill every month after that. You can always buy additional credit. So if you want to buy additional credit, you have the information there to be able to buy additional credits. See, but for now we have been given 50 credits, so I think we are good to go, and that's for the first month. The second month we only get what happens is this 50 credits, either you use it or not, a month after it will expire. So then the next second month from the day you register, you will get 15 instead of 50. So then it keeps on going, and everything they give you expires within a month, except you yourself purchase extra credit. So start creating. You see it now that look at a lot of images that was created. We can just, you put your description here and it will create it for you. So we have been able to set up and now in the stage of using DALL-E to create realistic image. If you just have an idea block, you don't even know like what should I ask or what should I create, then you can start with this. Start with a detailed description. Surprise me. Click this button and to generate a prompt for you. Do you see a sunlit indoor lounge area with a pool with clear water and another pool with translucent pastel pink water next to a big window, digital art? Can you see it now? So let's create. And don't forget to subscribe, tap the notification bell. If you need support, go straight to our Discord and go through our courses to build ChatGPT clone AI for your project, and at the same time my upcoming course that I'll be working on after this video, these videos I'm recording today will be to create a DALL-E clone. So you don't want to miss it. Check link in the description. Join our Discord to get started. The course is 100% free. So you can imagine, look at these beautiful images that's created for us. Wow, they're so beautiful, and you can download it, you can report it if it's not what you want, and from it as well, you can create variation. You see, you can save it to collection. You can create a collection, for example, create a collection for surprise, or let's say, yeah, DALL-E clone app. Maybe you want to build DALL-E clone app image. Make this collection private. That means if not, it will be visible for others. Create collection. Then you can add it just to general favorite if you want, or just to this particular favorite. Now you can also click here to share. Make public, create public page to share. So you can publish this publicly. Then you can generate variation as well. You can edit. It's now in beta. So you can see there are things you can do, like select V. You understand? So generate frame. There are just a lot of things you can do with the editing. This is a new fantastic features you couldn't edit before. So you can add some extra things to the image generated. Then let's go back. Then you can create variation. That means use this particular image and generate similar one. Sorry for the background noise. Can you see now? This is the original and this is the variation. If you notice, look at this. The shadow was casted there, but this was the shadow. You see the way this have. Look at that. That's interesting. So this gives you can pick this again, generate variation. You understand? So that's majorly how to set up and use DALL-E AI realistic image and art generator, either as a developer or non-developer, to generate for your app, client project, or just anything you want to use it for. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, tap notification bell, and straight to join our Discord if you need support. And at the same time, I told you I've already done a video, full course. You can see it 100% free, including even certification if you do take it all through. Build and deploy a chatbot like ChatGPT, and we have it here. You can ask it question, you see it, and it will give you answers, including the full source code is available for you to, it's open source for you to have access and use it to build your own project or client project or whatever. So I'll add it to your portfolio. Let's try to check it. And like I told you, join the Discord so you get notified as well when the full video for the DALL-E clone is also out, just like this ChatGPT clone. And maybe by the time you'll be watching, it might have been out. So go down to the link and go to our website to check the courses out there. That's it. I remain Solomon Foskaay of AiHiPUniversity. Always remember to keep the programming spirit high and alive. It's your only guarantee to succeed as a programmer. And please do good always to humanity with your coding and programming skill and not evil. Thanks, and see you in the next video. Peace and love.